In the previous short, I unboxed the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. I mentioned that I'll upload the next video on it so here it is. Enjoy the video and watch till By the way, it's my second solve on this cube. That's why speed is too slow, but I tried hard to solve it, so let's start solving it. I wanted to know how much time it took me to solve this cube, so I'm setting a timer. Firstly, we just need to solve the center pieces to make it look like a normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube. White center complete. Now time to solve the yellow center. Here I solved to centers and 4 more left. Green center completed. Orange completed. Blue and red both done at the same time. Now time to solve the edge pieces. In 4x4 we just need to solve to edge pieces. But here we got 3 edge pieces. Here I almost solved all the edge pieces, but two more left. Here I thought it's a parody or something so. I tried to solve it myself just like the whole cube, but after trying so much, I searched on YouTube how to solve a 5x5 Rubik's Cube, then I found a full video and start watching it. I skipped the whole video to the end because I almost solved the whole cube and just needed the last edge pieces tutorial, and finally found the tutorial and continued to solve it. Finally, now it's looking like a regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube, so let's continue to solve it. I finally solved it in almost 11 minutes. Subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching.